Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to set up automatic email forwarding in Gmail. This feature is incredibly useful when you want all incoming emails from one Gmail account to automatically redirect to another email address, whether it's for consolidating multiple accounts or ensuring you never miss important messages while managing different inboxes. First, open your web browser and navigate to Gmail by typing mail.google.com into the address bar. Once the page loads, sign in to the Gmail account you want to forward emails from. Make sure you're using the correct account, as this is where the forwarding rule will be applied. After you're logged in, look to the top right corner of your Gmail interface, where you'll see the settings icon, which looks like a gear. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear with several quick settings. From this menu, click on See All Settings to open the full settings panel where you can access advanced options. Once you're in the full settings menu, navigate to the Forwarding and POP IMAP tab. This is where Gmail houses all the tools for redirecting your emails to other accounts. In the forwarding section at the top, you'll see an option that says Add a forwarding address. Click on it to begin the setup process. A pop-up window will appear asking you to enter the email address where you want your emails forwarded. Type in the destination email address carefully, then click Next, followed by Proceed, and finally OK. Gmail will now send a verification email to that address to confirm you have access to it. Now, open the email account you want to forward to and look for the verification email from Gmail. It should arrive within a few minutes. Open that email and click the confirmation link inside. This step is crucial because Gmail won't activate forwarding until you verify ownership of the receiving address. Once you've clicked the confirmation link, return to your Gmail settings tab and refresh the page. You'll notice the forwarding section now displays your verified email address. Click the radio button next to forward a copy of incoming mail to and select your verified email address from the drop-down menu. Right below this, you'll see options for what happens to the Gmail copy of your emails. You can choose to keep them in your inbox, mark them as read, archive them, or delete them entirely. Select whichever option best suits your workflow and organizational preferences. Finally, scroll down to the bottom of the settings page and click Save Changes to activate your forwarding rule. From this point forward, all incoming emails will automatically be sent to your designated forwarding address. Thanks for watching.